Makaz. Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to do a quick review. I was asked by a company to review their products, and so I'll be making some projects with them, so stay tuned for those. But the company is called Makaz Home. They are local here in Arizona, which I love because I love to support local. You can find them at their website at themakersmovement.com. Some of the items I'm going to show you are their new releases. They're getting ready to release another set of products shortly. They do paper crafting, jewelry. They have tools, supplies, which I'll show you what I got. So, first thing, I did get some dies. I got a single die and then a die set with some stamps. And this die is Hello. Look at the size of the die. It is a very good size. So it's a one-piece Hello die set. Great for card making, great for scrapbooking, great for anything really. And you can see the groove is deep. I'm excited to see how they cut. Speaking of cut, they have a cutting machine and they sent me one, and so I'm going to try that one as well in another video. So stay tuned. And here's the other die that I got, and it comes in a set, but it's a cassette player. It reminds me of Guardians of the Galaxy. That's what I was going to use it for. But yeah, 11 pieces. Cassette tape, stamp and die, that's what it's called. And you can find it on their website. Here's their website, themakersmovement.com. You can find inspiration and projects there as well. 80s Mix Volume 2, Side A, Side B, Birthday Party Mix. You and I are the perfect mix. Weekend Mix Volume 1, I love it. So yeah, some projects coming with that. They also sent me some shaker supplies as well. And they sent it's called Rainbow Shaker Sprinkles. And it comes in 3 different ones. And the first one is Rainbow Caviar. And this is what it looks like. Just a bunch of beads, but this is the shaker part. This is what makes the noise when you shake the card. This is like one of the most important parts. So yeah, see all the beautiful colors. I don't feel like it's staticky. The next one we have is Classic Rainbows. And so here's what the mix looks like. So just your basic classic rainbows. And then this is the color wheel. And then that's what those look like. So yeah, love the shaker bits. They're shaker sprinkles. And that's what makes it the shaker, the sound. You can hear the difference, yeah? Oh, wait a minute. And then you have the... So they got those 3 sprinkle mixes. They also sent me double-side adhesive foam that they sell in 4 pieces. It's a set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 5 by 8 and I think 1/8 of an inch thick, maybe. But you get 4 of those. And then they also sent me some acetate sheets, some clear acetate sheets. And they come in a pack of 4 as well. And they're in this blue color. So yeah. So shaker projects coming up. Stay tuned. But this was my unboxing of the products that they sent for me to check out. I am so excited. Thank you so much for inviting me makers movement to share your products with my subbies. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey, especially if you want to see the projects I end up making with their products. Oh, they also, oh, I forgot. They also included these wire cutters or metal snippers. Use safety glasses. Well, I don't have safety glasses, so we're not going to use this at the moment. But they did include this as well because they do sell jewelry making items as well. So, hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.